Downloading TikTok videos without a watermark can be done using various online tools and mobile applications. Here's a guide on how to download TikTok videos without a watermark using Nettles. Find the TikTok video. Go to the TikTok app or website and find the video you want to download. Copy the video link, tap on the share button on the TikTok video and select copy link. Visit an online tool, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device, and visit an online tool that allows you to download TikTok videos without a watermark. Some popular options include Musically Down, Snaptik. Paste the video link in the online tool's website. Paste the copied TikTok video link into the designated field. Download the video. After pasting the link, click on the download or similar button to start the downloading process. The tool will generate a download link for the TikTok video without a watermark. Save the video. Click on the download link provided by the online tool to save the TikTok video to your device without a watermark. Using mobile applications, install a video downloader app. Go to the App Store on your mobile device, Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, and search for a TikTok video downloader app that removes watermarks. Some popular options include SnapTube Android, Total Files iOS. Open the TikTok app, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and find the video you want to download. Copy the video link, tap on the share button on the TikTok video and select copy link. Use the video downloader app. Open the video downloader app you installed and paste the copied TikTok video link into the app's interface. Download the video. After pasting the link, follow the app's prompts to download the TikTok video without a watermark. Save the video. Once the download is complete, the TikTok video will be saved to your device's gallery without a watermark. Remember to respect the copyright of TikTok creators and only download videos for personal use or with proper permission. Additionally, be cautious when using third-party tools and apps, and make sure to download from reputable sources to avoid any security risks.